Hi everyone, so I just did my first tutorial on a model, and this is the beautiful Primrose. So what I'm doing right now is just I'm prepping the skin, making sure she's hydrated, and then I go ahead and apply my layer of MAC Face and Body foundation. Since she has perfect skin, I pretty much don't need any coverage. Now I'm just going in and spot treating and concealing the areas a little bit extra that needs it. And now I'm just working in the products with a damp sponge. After blending in all the products with the sponge, I go ahead and apply dimension back to her face using MAC Face and Body in a darker shade. I then go ahead and blend it with the sponge again. I love using the sponge because I feel like it blends everything seamlessly. I then go ahead and apply the Tarte creaseless concealer under the eyes to brighten and as well as conceal. And I'm also using this on the high points of her face to give a highlight. Also under the contour to sharpen it. I then go ahead and apply bronzer on top of the contour to bring back the warmth to her skin. I also do this on the higher points of her face. After the bronzer, I go in with a cream blush, and this is one from Nude Sticks. I also go in with a Becca highlighter on the bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow, and her cheekbones. Now it's time for the brows, and what I'm doing now is going through the brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I really love this product as it gives a natural, beautiful dimension and more bushy look to the brows. And I'm going in with Spiked Brow Pencil from MAC as well to give it a more defined shape. Now I'm applying my base to my eyelids, and I'm using Urban Decay Primer Potion. After that, I'm going in with MAC Teddy Eye Kohl, and I love this as a base under eyeshadow as I want it to be a more natural smoky eye. So I'm laying it with the pen first, and then I go in with a brush and smudge it up into the crease. This gives some more natural dimension when the eyeshadow is laid on top of it. Now I'm starting to place my eyeshadows, and I'm going from light to dark. After placing the eyeshadows, I go ahead and blend the edges with a transition color, and I do this with MAC 217 brush. After that, I go ahead and go in with Glossier Play pencil. I don't remember the name, sorry guys, but it's a dark brown pencil. And I go ahead and smudge that out, and I'm using also the same eyeshadows that I use on top of the lid and placing them under the lid as well. I then go ahead and do a winged eyeliner with the Inglot number 77 eyeliner. I then go ahead and apply Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara to her bottom and top lashes. The lashes we are using today are the Ardell Studio Wispies, which gives a more natural full look. And then for the lips, I went in with MAC Bittersweet lip pencil to give the lips more dimension and fullness. And then I went ahead with the Glossier Play Vanillic Lip in the color Pony. This gives a high shine, but yet a very natural, more plumpy look to the lips. Alright guys, that's the finished look. I really hope you guys liked watching this because I know I enjoyed making it. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you want to see more of? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.